Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name on your PC. So in the top right, let's go to our little profile icon. Click this, and we can go to view your channel. Now, if you view your channel, you can see the options on the top. And we want to go to customize channel right here. And this will bring us to this page where we can change the screenshot of our channel and the name of our channel, etc. So here's the name. Choose a channel name that represents you and your content. So we can type in, I don't know, let's do like Battlefield Red Sec or something like that. I was just kind of messing around with that. And then I can type in like 1960, I don't know. And then we have the handle. Choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers to it. You can change your handle. So your channel name will be like, I don't know, like it's going to be a little bit different than this. So we will want to put like at Battlefield or at RedSec or something like that. That's how people can mention us in comments and stuff. 1960. So I'd probably just copy and paste that and make that the same as your actual channel name. Doesn't support characters. Looks like I can't put the at symbol on there. I just got to let YouTube decide that. So just change it right here. And then you can see publish in the top right. And that should change now on here. Then if we go back to my channel, should say the new name. So yeah, Battle Fired, RedSec. So yeah, very easy on the PC. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.